This demonstration is entitled Importing XSD into TCSQL. Now, XSD documents typically are used to validate XML documents. From a TCSQL perspective, an XSD document can be viewed as a class graph. So in this demonstration, we will feature demonstrating a tool called XML to TCSQL that allows specifying an XSD document and importing it into the class tables corresponding to a TCSQL soft schema.
For this demonstration, we have three windows. On the left here, we have a text document called shiporder.xsd. On the right here, we see Microsoft SQL Server Analyzer. And the third window here, a simple application called XML to TCSQL. What we are demonstrating here is the ability to take this XSD document and import it into TCSQL soft schema tables. Now, if you look at this text document here, you can think of it as a class graph here containing nodes and connections between nodes. So we want to import this document into a database called demonstration here, and we specify the name of the input file here, basically this file here, and we're going to give it a namespace here called shiporder. So all of the nodes in this class graph here will be under the context of a namespace called shiporder here. Now if we look right now what's in our database in terms of classes here, we see that the class table is empty for IDs greater than 39. In other words, we haven't imported this yet. That's what I'm trying to show here. And if we look at class connections here for this class graph, we see nothing here right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and execute here. And we see that 13 classes were created for this namespace. So the 13 classes are the 13 nodes comprising this definition here of something called shiporder. So now if we go back here and look at the classes here, here are the 13 class records comprising the nodes of this class graph. And if we look at the class connections, we see the following here. So we have a column here called indent name here. So you see the names of the class elements here, and they correspond to the elements you see here in the XSD document.